Let's see. Okay, this is gonna be white queso that we use for a lot of meals. Some chopped green chilies. It's perfect for the little dipper crock pot. So this is a 4.5 ounce can and I'm gonna use half of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there. And I eyeball half of it. You could get really precise if you wanted to, but it's just not how I do things. I have an entire 2-pound block of velveeta here. I'm going to use 1/4 of this. Ounces. There's 4 ounces. So I just kind of chop it up a little bit. I'm putting in 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using 2%. Really, you could use whatever you have on hand. Cumin. Onion powder. Garlic powder. So this is all set now. You just have to plug it in. And it takes about an hour, I'd say, to have it all melt together. You can microwave it and have it in the little dipper, but I like to warm it this way and avoid the microwave if I can. So I just get this started a little earlier than dinner and just stir it frequently. So this has been in an hour and a half now, and it's still chunky, but I'm able to work that all out just by stirring it. So it'd definitely be good to go now. We're not quite ready to eat dinner. So I guess my official recommendation is an hour and a half. And we are serving this just with chips, guac, and salsa. Homemade salsa, I'll link that below. And even though I don't absolutely love using velveeta because it's processed, it does melt so easily.